guys!
Hi!
It's us again. We just finished our 4th day of body transformation program. It took us 19 minutes because today we did body transformation, 3 rounds, warm-up, stretching, additional workouts, and we added inner thighs. How it was?
It was great! It was nice and hard, and now I feel very tired. I can't wait to come home and go to sleep.
So yeah, for me too it was really hard. Not so much body transformation, we are getting used to it, but additional workouts, glutes and inner thighs we did today. The last one, inner thighs, were really hard for us, and glutes also. I'm feeling now great.
Yes,
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah, so much energy. Like I could do one more routine, but no. I will leave it for tomorrow. Tomorrow is our 5th day of week 2. It is our last day in week 2, and we heard Pavla already made a new video, so yay, we are ready. We are happy to see our new week, and after today it's Sunday and we have one day rest, and I think this week we really deserved it.
Yes.
So until tomorrow, bye.
Bye.